Hello students and welcome back to today's video. In this video we are going to discuss about the next data types, right? I hope you watched the part 1 video. If you haven't watched, do watch that and come back to this video, okay? In this video we are going to discuss about tuple, set and dictionary, okay? So tuple means it is also a collection of elements which is unchangeable, okay? Because once you create a tuple, you are not allowed to add an element to it, remove an element to it, nothing of that sort, okay? So now let's see how you can write a tuple. I'll create a tuple with the food itself, food, and then in the normal brackets or the round brackets you have to give, okay? So I'll be giving cakes, pastries and chocolate, okay? So this is our tuple, and the first thing what we are going to do is let's print this tuple, okay? And just see, here you can see that this is a tuple. So tuple means it is inside the normal brackets, okay? The next thing is to find the length of a tuple. So I'll show you how you can find the length. It is using the function called len, okay? Len of food. Then you will be able to get 3 because there are 3 items, okay? The next thing is how we are going to access, okay? Let's give food of 0, which means you will be able to get cakes. If you give food of 1, it's the pastries, and food of 2 is the chocolate. Similarly, you can do. So now I'll show you how you can delete it, okay? Delete the tuple, because in the tuple you are not able to add an element or remove an element, okay? Let's give del x, okay? X, no, food, okay? Let's give del food. Now if I try to print x, what will happen? You can see that it's an error because complete tuple is being deleted, okay? So that is the reason. You are not supposed to remove any one of the element from the tuple because it is ordered but is not changeable, okay? Now let's see how you can join this tuple, okay? I'll create a tuple with fruits called apple, mango and banana, okay? So now what you have to do is you have to join them. So let's give print food plus fruits. So now you can get all of these, okay? 6 of the elements together. So that's all about the tuple, okay? Now we are going to discuss about the set, okay? What is a set? A set means it is a collection which is unordered and unindexed, okay? In Python, sets are written in curly bracket, okay? They are unordered and unindexed, which means you are not able to access an element using the index, and they are unordered as well, okay? So now let's give food itself, and I'll give apple, mango, banana, pizza, cheesecake and the pastries, okay? So now let's try to print it, because as they are unordered, let's see, you can see that the order has changed, right? So each time if you give this, the order might change, okay? So you are not able to access each of the item using the indexing, okay? But if you want to check whether the element is there, then you can definitely do like this, okay? Print pizza in food, okay? Then it will return whether it's true or false. So now let me give pizzas, okay? Then it will give you false, because that is not an element in the set, okay? Set means it is inside the curly bracket. Okay, now let's see how you can add an element to the set. Okay, so let's give food dot add, and then you can give a name. Okay, so I'll give pizza, let's give donuts. Okay, so now let's print food and see. So now here you can see that, okay, I gave it in the form of a string, right? So now here you can see that the donuts are also included. Okay, so now let's try to remove an element. So what you have to give food dot remove, and then you can give the element name. Okay, let's give it to be banana. Now let's print the food and see whether there is banana. So now the banana is not there in the set, right? Now there is a way to clear. Okay, it is the complete clearing. Okay, what you have to do? You have to give food dot clear. So now let's print the food, because food is a variable, right? The set is an empty set. Okay, now I am going to tell you how you can just combine both of them together, two of the sets together. Okay, so here you might be thinking we are going to use the same thing like the addition sign or the plus sign, but here it is quite different. Okay, so what you have to do is print food dot union is the function, and let's give food 1. Okay, so now only you will be able to get the complete set. Okay, it's not like the addition sign, but it's called the union. Okay, so don't forget about the union to combine two of these sets together. Okay, now let's discuss about the dictionary. What is a dictionary? Okay, so a dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable and indexed. Okay, they are indexed, but it is a collection which is unordered and changeable. Okay, so in this dictionary you have the element with a pair. Okay, it will be like a key and a pair. So now I'll show you something like we are going to create a dictionary of favorites. So now I am going to give food. Which is your favorite food? I'll give like biryani. Okay, so now the food is the key and biryani is the content. Okay, and the biryani is the value. Okay, so food is the key and the biryani is the value. So now let's give cartoon. So now you can see that the cartoon is the key and the value is Disney. Okay, so now let's write another key value pair here. I'll be taking ice cream. Okay, so which is your favorite ice cream? Please do comment in the chat box. Okay, so that I can know which is your favorite. Okay, so let's write chocolate ice cream. Okay, or I'll write pista. Okay, so pista ice cream is my favorite. Okay, so now let's try to print it and see. So now you are able to get it in key value pairs, right? So now what I'm going to show you is how to access each item using the key. Okay, so let's take print. I'll be copying the same thing itself. Okay, so now let's give print food of favorite, right? Favorite is my variable name. Okay, so this is the favorite of food. Okay, so I am going to take food. So let's take food. Now you will get biryani. Okay, so now let me take it to be ice cream, and now let's see, you will get pista. Okay, so this is how you access each items. So now let's see how you can change an item. Okay, so let's give favorite of food is equals to pizza. Okay, so this is my favorite food. So now let's see, print and see this. Okay, so I'll print favorite. So here you can see that my food has changed to pizza. Okay, the next thing what I'm going to show you is how to add a key value pair. Okay, so now let's see that. So now how can you do it? Like favorite, whichever is your key, you have to give it here. Okay, in such a way, like let's give color is equals to yellow. Okay, so this is my favorite. So now what you have to do is let's give print favorite. Okay, so now you will be able to get the color yellow. Got it? So this is how you access them. Okay, the last one is to see how you can delete a item. Okay, using the key value pair. So let's give like favorite dot pop. Pop is the function to delete. Okay, so I'll give cartoon. Okay, now let's print and see what you are going to get. So now here you can see that there is food and the favorite ice cream alone. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please do let me know and subscribe to my channel so that you can continue watching my Python series. Okay, so bye guys and see you in the next video.